how to change server region on Discord. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to change server region on Discord. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open the Discord on your browser. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, go to your server whose region you want to change. Then tap on your server's name. Then tap on server settings. Over here, usually the region change option appear, but now they changed it. So in order to change server region, what you have to do is click on settings icon which is under voice channel. Then just scroll down until you see region override. Here just select the region of your choice and your region will be changed. So that's basically how you can change server region on Discord. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.